Hi friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Agricultural Engineering. So most of you are started for preparing exams ICAR PG exam, but you are confused from where you have to start. So instead of starting with hard topics or which are difficult to understand, let's go through the topics which we can easily cover. So today we are going to discuss about frequently asked questions, which is how to convert decimal number into binary number or conversion of binary number into decimal number. In 2019, 2020 and 2021 they have asked this question, so please don't ignore this question. It's easy method. Now let's go, we will see how to solve these questions. So what is mean by binary number? The number which consists only 0 and 1 is called as binary number. And what is meant by decimal number? The number which consists digits from 0 to 1. So if we have given a number 14 and we have to convert it into binary number, then how we have to do? So 14 is even number. So if number is even, then following procedure we have to follow. So first we will write 14 as it is. If our number is even, then we have to represent it by 0, and if our number is odd, then we have to represent it by 1. So 14 we have written as it is. So for 14 as it is even, we are going to write 0. After that we have to divide 14 by 2, we will get 7. So 7 is odd number, so it will be represented by 1. What if we divide 7 by 2, we will get 3 and remainder as 1. So 3 is odd number, so we are representing it by 1. And after that, by taking 3, 3 divided by 2, we will get 1 and remainder as a 1. So as 1 is odd number, we are representing it by 1. So after writing this 0 1 1 1, we have to go from downside to upside. Means 14 is digital number which is represented in binary number by 1110. We have to go from downside to upside. Got it? What if our number is odd? 15 is odd number. So same procedure we have to follow. So first we will write 15 as it is. So 15 is odd number, so we are going to represent it by 1. If we divide 15 by 2, we will get 7 and remainder is 1, but 7 is odd number, so we are going to represent it by 1. After taking 7 for next step, 7 divided by 2 is equal to 3. We will get remainder as 1. As 3 is odd number, we are going to represent it by 1. After taking 3 for next step, 3 divided by 2 is equal to 1 and we will get remainder as a 1. So 1 is odd number, so we are representing it by 1. So similar case we have to go from downside to upside. So 15 is represented by binary number 1111. So in ICAR PG exam 2019 they have asked one question, the binary equivalent of 7 is. So how to solve this? Let's see. So find binary number for 7. As 7 is odd number, we will follow this procedure. For 7 we are going to write as 1 as it is odd number. After dividing 7 by 2, we will get 3, which is odd number, so we are going to represent it by 1. Ignore remainder. So 3 divided by 2, we will get 1. As 1 is odd number, we are going to represent it by 1. So binary number for 7 is 111. In ICAR PG exam 2020, they have asked questions. Which of the following is decimal number representation of 10000? Means this is binary number they have provided and we have to find the decimal number. So how to find decimal number from binary number? So they have given 10000 as a decimal number, so we are going to write in sequence 10000. So see how many digits are there? Only 5. So we have to consider the 5 digits are there, we have to consider n minus 1 power of 2. So see, for as there are 5 digits, we are going to consider 4 as the highest power. So first digit is 1 into 2 raised to 4. As 5 digits are there, we are subtracting 1 from that 5, and 2 raised to 4 is equal to 16. In case of 0, 0 into 2 raised to 3 is equal to 0. 0 into 2 raised to 2 is equal to 0. 0 into 2 raised to 1 is equal to 0, and 0 into 2 raised to 0 is equal to 0. So after adding all these values, we will get 16 as a number. So if we can see, our answer is 16, means 10000 is represented in decimal form by 16. So we will go in opposite direction whether our answer is correct or not. So if our number is even, then 16 written as it is 0. 16 divided by 2, 8. 8 is even, so 0. 8 divided by 2, 4 is even, so 0. 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2, which is even, so 0. And 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1, which is odd, so 1. So 10000 is binary representation of digital number 16. So we are correct. Done. So this is, I have already told, if number is odd. So in ICAR PG exam 2021, they have asked 11001 in binary system corresponds to following number in the decimal system. So previously we have seen similar way we have to follow. So we will write down this number as it is 11001. So how many digits are there? 5. So 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. So the highest power of 2 is 4. So for first digit, we are going to multiply this digit by 2 raised to highest power, which is 4. So we will get 1 into 2 raised to 4 is equal to 16. Our second digit is 1, and 1 into 2 raised to 3 is equal to 8. Our third digit is 0. 0 into 2 raised to 2, which is equal to 0. And fourth digit is 0. So 0 into 2 raised to 1 is equal to 0. And fifth digit is 1. 1 into 2 raised to 0 is equal to 1, we will get. So after adding all this summation or all these values, we will get 25 as the answer. So you are thinking from how this 2 raised to power 4, 2 raised to 3 will come. So in case of finding out fineness modulus, we are multiplying by some factor, means we are going from downside to upside 0, multiplying by 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In similar way, in this case 2 is constants and we are increasing the raised to power, means 2 raised to 0, 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 2, 2 raised to 3, 2 raised to 4, from downside to upside. So 25 is decimal number which is represented by binary number 11001. Thank you for watching our video. If you like it, don't forget to subscribe it, and for more such frequently asked questions in ICAR PG exam, stay tuned with our Telegram channel. Thank you.